whether no emu air form intino I was say bibia ekoso emai asada kese no enkoma game pack pick one yes game pack there de bia ye kan say be ma de opeso onye sika and one say we fa phone no wa dial star 946#. Follow prompt no draw no beba so anopai ebo no nkran beba so ewi adumienu ebe saba so na enwumre no nsia asaba so scanner na we di no na bibia akoso medin etenya meba Bernard Padbotro ni dwumaku a wo so masene se me fa go kensiem ense membre me hia ase entempa so mfefi enra match I told you UEFA Champions League enra Borussia Dortmund esibrim Paris Saint-Germain kabakwa wenti Messi Madabraka na match ni more thing yen hwe na sa highlight no ekosie ene de kotodwa na enra match no na asa chances ne ba na PSG bogu na Dortmund so bogu ehu enra boys sika ko mbotom an osmosis ni sika kan bottom bruta krama ze wo nyina sika ko mbotom na so de be ko ya le ko return leg no ene be hu na be si game pack yes pick one no fa star 946#. Ona woko no undi ATM srew enfa ho enkojim na bibia enkoso yenda yeni enfa nche bibrem yenda yeni enfa nche CAF aso ye na Patrice Motsepe ono ene CAF president edi atudwa say AFCON India host nation Ivory Coast host was win no nyama ebem na nye bruta na we na best AFCON ever sika epimu pa Ghana Premier League and week 28 match back at Ojo Accra Sports Stadium. Now Danny we need the treho na enye fidi agro. Has of folk etre fie for the 6th time on a row. I'm about 6 matches, elusu 5. Winning one. Na say enye fidi agro. Hato Accra Lions esibiro mekaba kwa went me in Simadabra. Can share some highlight in the coin.
Issa Ojo. It's a chance for Accra Lions. Here is Awuni with a cutback, and Accra Lions have the opening goal. Issa Ibrahim puts Accra Lions ahead on 55 minutes. Accra Lions have broken the deadlock just about 10 minutes after the break. They are teaching how to folk how it's been done. Quick transition over here, not wasting time at all. You can see the centre backs and defensive line trying to play catch up, but then they cut back to Issa, the right back, who was in an advanced position. But then look at that quick transitional play. Issa starting the move and following up with that run into the box, but a cut back from Awuni and Issa, the connection. Good goal, no questions. Lovely finish.
Match no eba ni wie no assistant coach Edema Hasofok Bashiru edin sem etudwa say match no mbon humodin yi bia but fa na mfa.
We have some decent chances but I couldn't take it, In the second half, yes, still we are controlling the game before they score. So to me, I can't tell you the reason why. I don't know whether we lost focus or what, but you can see we be trying, but they defend so well, and their goalkeeper did very, very well. So we have to congratulate them. Even in the first half, there are a lot of spaces within them. That we should have punished them, but we couldn't take our chances. So I don't think they play better than us. Just that they take their chance that they had and scored a goal. That's the difference.
In a game where you had over 6 shots on target and couldn't score, would you come back and say that your earlier season problems, which was goal scoring, has come back to, haunt you again?
Yeah, because this is exactly what we'll be facing. Because in training ground, you see them scoring, but we don't know what is going on nowadays. So we better have to go back, watch the video, and do our corrections very well. Yeah, we're not happy because, that's football. Because this is exactly what the support set need. That's where we can give them because we need them. But they should still have that confidence in us. They should back us.
Accra Lions head coach Ibrahim Tanko and also Ebona the boys number say game no kill game na there is always a first time we need the kind of match house of folk Bra Premier League into Ebona boys no abaso.
Yeah, well, I think the boys did very well from the first half. And normally we have to make the game easy for us when Yaya had this chance. But I said it before the game that there's always a first time, and the way we are playing this season, definitely we can beat any team and I congratulate the boys. But there's always a first time. We beat Kotoko this season, like you said, and then against us, we know it's going to be a tough. And we told the boys they should play our normal game. Definitely the chances will come, and then we make use of it. Fortunately, we score one, but the one with Yaya, I think he have to score, and then. But in all 3 points against us.
Yes, Ibrahim Tanko and out here. Na match no ebani we na house Koko supporters no Koko pie. Hey, house supporters no. Omodo mbufo nyina Koko players no so na yentie the house fans no so ekan.
First player say has just in war bobo they never say that spirit in room. Na me wa who share ball boys body Premier League pana has Accra Lions, Yusuf Kola, look at their age, teenagers, Bobo, Kuono, Bobo. Look at the amount of money, has editor players, share the facilities, has Ayama players. Now, who share ball has everybody, but as a supporter there, I'm very, very mad.
It's my heart. It's my everything. Because of us, because somebody have all of you. If we buy now, we don't have some about. I think place of Bobo. They got to go on whoever. They come to Ghana. That's a mobile.
Yeah, woman,
has person I saw Mundi. Natobe Obey now, when you do it, when you can be. When you're packing so bomb, that's a go. That's all just say to me, Bawa, you better put my when some more, I couldn't think I called it out, but I'm just saying to put my own. The Baba put my own.
I'm the coach in the set of a temple out of Badwam. It's a coach. No coach in the my young coach.
House fans, where the Mr. Mo Anope Adjobrel, na me can full game pack pick one amamo. Yes, Nina Iska. Yamoye Nina Iska. Into the phone or na dial star 946 follow prompt no. Obe diska. Udin diska na their players here in Murebe fee. Oh, into Namonia Botra Namatraho. A bona ye manu pay the drawback on Eberbrum. A bo no do me no area at the back of Eberbrum, no Sianso. Yes, I the back of Brum frustrating a two betra party Nabia Aqua. So, yeah, that's what our Ghana Premier League na bankroller Edma Bechem United. I Kingsley was watching area to just a couple 6 matches. Now we can say in Abani, our Ghana Premier League na or shed GF for so more money and coefficient.
To Klukuni FC. One year, one say, Kumha, the football because officiating a top priority. Oh, now, apart from the FC charge a crown, apart from the FC charge in a crown, Nino, Simon Grassabata home said, Sir, we can't away a local area, no crown pet. The moral aspect of it, and now you call Brukum. I told them that some people with the name a jungle football. I said that was my comment. When I want me the same person, me make my catch me. Who the push a refuge and we bring ya? What you are going to be here? Me, meet me now. Catch him say, me make car and one make him because me will paint me to go and one make him. Or move go fish there. Me sorry now access or me to wow be the who bet them. Ya do kushimwa about almost 1 more water break 72 hours or so. Most in the bush of water patch on.
And Abraham who quite mamma de mo esi na asidaka si ne biom and come a game pack. Yes, pick one. Scanaba. Scadi be gubotoma, a bemana scabe gubotoma. Oh, I only know to it. Osmosis or worry a game pack neka home. Cameraman say why be a worry if money nyama. Omuna game pack. Boys here no mko bobo omwini nyina omunya game pack egwombuto omwie no ni jedie omafanya hwe into the dial star 946 hash star 946 hash ne follow prompt no na a game pack momula more power. Yes, emo and omaso masini no pay 70 agokense mansem dom din etinyame ba Bernard Padibutwe health it bit etwaso.